Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Welcome back. Now that we have our dough and topping ready, it's time to bake, roll, and serve your Turkish Lahmacun Pita with fresh salad and lemon. The topping layer is always thin, almost like a spread, so the bread can crisp while the meat cooks quickly. Once baked, you add fresh toppings such as sliced onion, tomato, parsley, lettuce, lemon wedges and sometimes pickles or arugula. The mix of hot, spiced meat and cool, crunchy salad is what makes every bite so satisfying. How to make Turkish Lahmacun Pita at home, simple step-by-step guide. Easy lahmacun dough or pita base you can actually make. You can go two ways with the base. If you like to bake, make a quick dough with flour, warm water, yeast, salt and a little oil. Mix until soft and smooth, then let it rest until puffy. Divide into small balls and roll each one very thin, about the thickness of a tortilla. If you want a faster path, use store-bought flatbreads. Thin pita, lavish or tortilla-style flatbread will work. Look for ones that are soft, not brittle and not too thick. They should bend easily so you can roll them after baking. Homemade dough gives the closest taste to traditional Turkish street food. Ready-made bases are great for weeknights and still deliver that Turkish pizza-style flatbread feel. Mixing the lahmacun meat topping with the right spices. The topping starts with ground meat. Many people like half lamb and half beef. Others go with lean ground beef only. Both options taste great. Mix the meat with very finely chopped onion, tomato, and bell pepper. Add minced garlic, tomato or pepper paste, chopped parsley, salt, black pepper, cumin, and mild or hot paprika. The key is to chop everything very small, so the spread is smooth and cooks fast. The mixture should feel soft and moist, not dry or crumbly. If it seems tight, a spoon of water or olive oil helps loosen it. Spread a very thin layer over each dough circle or pita base, right up to the edges. You should still see the shape of the bread under the topping. Adjust the spice level to your taste. You can keep it mild for kids or add more chili for heat lovers. Baking, serving, and rolling your Turkish Lahmacun Pita like a local. Heat your oven as hot as it will safely go. A pizza stone works best, but a heavy baking sheet also does the job. Place the topped lahmacun on the hot surface and bake until the edges are crisp and the meat is cooked, usually just a few minutes. As soon as they come out, stack them on a plate and cover with a clean towel if you want them softer. For a crisp bite, serve right away. Top each hot flatbread with sliced onion, tomato, parsley, and maybe some shredded lettuce or arugula. Squeeze fresh lemon over the top. To eat like a local, fold the sides in slightly, then roll it up from one end. It should feel like a light wrap, not a heavy burrito. Pair your Turkish Lahmacun Pita with a cold ayran, yogurt drink, or a simple cucumber and tomato salad for a full meal. And there you have it. Crispy, flavorful Turkish Lahmacun Pita ready to enjoy. Try rolling it up and serving with your favorite sides. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.